Dirty dealings, corporate battles, consumer woes. This is Evening 5. Former 1MDB General Counsel Jasmine Loo took to the witness stand to testify in ex-PM Datuk Sri Najib Razak's 1MDB-Tanore trial at the High Court on Tuesday. Loo, 50, who had been on the run from 2018 up until her return to Malaysia in July 2023, where she was immediately arrested and questioned by the police before being handed over to the Malaysian Anti-Corruption Commission. She is said to be under witness protection and invaded the press in her first public appearance to avoid being photographed. Loo, who sported a face mask along with a black business suit and white shirt, testified at 4:12 p.m. under the watchful eye of her lawyer, Edmund Bond. The former lawyer, who is also the prosecution's 50th witness in the trial, said she joined 1MDB in May 2011, relaying how she joined the company after getting acquainted with fugitive Low-Tech Joe while at UBG. She testified that she was tasked to examine the joint venture documents between the Sovereign Fund and PetroSaudi International. Loo said that when the 1MDB board needed to sign any director's circular resolution, the board would be given two documents, namely the Special Rights Redeemable Preference Shareholder Resolution and minutes by the representatives of four holding companies relating to the proceedings of subsidiary company. She said both documents would be signed by Najib regarding any specific decisions, especially related to investments and 1MDB's finances. There were times, Loo said, where Low would ask her to prepare 1MDB-related documents to be signed by Najib, and she would prepare these and inform former 1MDB CEO Datuk Sharul Azral Ibrahim Helmi of Low's request. She testified that Low would use his influence as a person who was close to the then Prime Minister, adding that Low's actions were as if he wanted to be portrayed as the proxy of Malaysia's PM as the chairman of the 1MDB Board of Advisors. Loo is seen as a vital witness in Najib's 1MDB-Tanore trial, where he faces 4 counts of abuse of power to enrich himself with 2.3 billion of 1MDB funds and 21 counts of money laundering of the same amount. She is scheduled to continue her testimony tomorrow. The Securities Commission has won an insider trading civil suit against Dato' Amanuddin Mat Desa, the former CEO of the Perak State Development Corp and Perak Corp. High Court Judge Wan Muhammad Amin Wanyaya has ruled that the SC had proven its claim in the civil suit and ordered Amanuddin to pay the Commission 2.46 million, which is 3 times the profits gained as a result of the insider trading breach, according to a statement issued by the SC. Amanuddin is also required to pay the SC a civil penalty of $1 million and costs of 100,000 ringgit. The SC said Amanuddin had breached Section 1A82A of the Capital Markets and Services Act 2007 by acquiring 1.4 million Perak Corp shares between October 2013 and January 2014 while in possession of insider information. The information in question was on PKNP's proposed privatization of Perak Corp. Amanuddin had been appointed as Perak Corp CEO in February 2013 and resigned in May 2018 to pursue other interests. Besides the penalty, the High Court also ordered Amanuddin to be barred from being appointed as a CEO or being involved in the management of a public listed company or its subsidiary for 5 years. He is also barred from trading in any securities on Bursa Malaysia for 5 years. Ekovest has obtained approval from the Employees Provident Fund for an extension of up to 2 years to facilitate and implement an exit plan for the company from its investment in Consortium Loboraya Utara Timur KL, the concessionaire of the Duke Highway. According to his Bursa filing, Ekovest was given a 1-year extension with an automatic extension for another year for the extended exit date under the shareholders' agreement to February 12, 2026. It said that the company and the EPF are evaluating various viable options together to implement the exit event or any alternative plan in the best interest of the parties. To recap, in 2016, Ekovest said it was disposing of its 40% equity interest held in Kasturi to the EPF for 1.13 billion ringgit. Duke is a 34-kilometre highway comprising 2 phases with a concession period of 54 years. Awantec Technology has sealed a 294.27 million deal with REDtone Digital to provide cloud computing solutions and services, which include products such as Google Workspace Enterprise and Google Cloud Platform for the government's unified communication and collaboration project MyGov UC 3.0. The strategic collaboration marks a significant milestone for Awantec as the sole managed service provider for Google Cloud in Malaysia under the government's Cloud Framework Agreement. Just last week, REDtone secured the MyGov UC 3.0 contract worth 398.1 million from the Malaysian Administrative Modernisation Management Planning Unit, or MAMPU, to provide unified communication solutions. It is worth noting that Awantec has been categorized as an affected listed issuer by Bursa Malaysia after it lost a major partnership deal in January 2021. Awantec has since embarked on a business transformation plan and is looking for fresh opportunities. Meanwhile, REDtone's shares surged by as much as 10 cent or 10.3% to 1 ringgit 7, its fresh record high since 2009, extending the year's rally following the announcement of the MyGov UC 3.0 contract. It closed slightly lower at 1 ringgit 4, which is still 7.2% higher than its previous close. Datuk Chandran has returned as the Chief Executive Officer of full-service carrier Batik Air Malaysia effective from February 1st. He replaces Captain Mushafiz Mustafa Bakri, who has been promoted as the Safety Director of Batik Air's parent company, Lion Air Group. Mushafiz had helmed Batik Air since September 23, 2019. Chandran was the first CEO of Batik Air, formerly known as Malindo Air, from its inception in 2013 to August 2019. He was then promoted to the position of Group Strategy Director at Indonesia's Lion Air. In a statement, the carrier said that under Chandran's leadership, Batik Air has made rapid progress on the execution of its strategy while reporting a strong network expansion and improved service performance. Batik Air operates a mixed fleet of 3 Airbus A330-300s, 27 Boeing 737-8/800 NG aircraft, and 5 ATR 72-600s. The airline will be adding an additional 3 A380-300s and 6 737s. Batik Air carried a total of 4.5 million passengers in 2023 and operates 800 weekly flights across 57 routes in the region.